Hello and welcome to Nikolai's Genetics Lessons, and today I have prepared another blood relationship problem for you. As usual, I recommend you to pause video here, try to solve this problem on your own first, and when you would be ready you can run video again and you can compare your answer with my answer and explanation. So here is a problem, pointing to a John. Alisa says, I am the daughter of the only son of his grandfather. How Alisa is related to John? And if you solve this problem correctly, you should get a pedigree as follows. So here we have 3 generations, because we are talking here about grandfather, so it is obvious 3 generations. So the first generation would be a couple that has son who is married, who has 2 children, a boy and a girl. And this is going to be Alisa, so Alisa. And this is going to be a John. So Alisa pointing to a John and saying, I am the daughter of the only son. I am the daughter of the only son, and this person here is only son of the parents of his grandfather. So John's grandfather and his only son, and she is the daughter of the only son, so John is her brother. So we can say that she is John's sister. But actually this is not the only variant possible. So this is generation number 1, number 2, and number 3. Another variant of the pedigree also possible. Take a look. So imagine that again we have a couple here. This is going to be generation number 1, and this couple would have 2 children, a boy and a girl. And now let's imagine that this person is married and have a girl, and his sister is also married and she has a boy. So this time this is going to be Alisa, and this is going to be a John. Let's again take a look. I am the daughter of the only son, and Alisa is the daughter of the only son of this couple, of his grandfather, and John's grandfather would be this person, and he would have only son, but only son doesn't mean the only child. So this couple may have also a daughter. Daughter also can be married, and she may have a son. So this time now Alisa is going to be talking about her cousin. So she would talk about her cousin, and she's also going to be a cousin of John. Do we have such an answer here? No, we don't have. So which answer to choose? Whether Alisa is a sister, or actually, because we cannot determine for sure. By the way, I forgot to put generations here, so this is 2nd generation and this is 3rd generation, just like in previous pedigree. So because we cannot determine whether we talk about this situation or this situation, we have to say that relationship cannot be determined, and this is going to be answer D. And this is all for today. Thank you for your attention. Please subscribe for my new videos that I post almost every day. Thumbs up if you like this video. Please write your comments, questions if you have any. Share this video with your classmates, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.